Ready to take ethical hacking to the next level? Then you're ready for the CPTE. The 300-level Certified Penetration Testing Engineer course from Mile 2 is part of the Penetration Testing and Ethical Hacking career path. This course covers 5 key elements of penetration testing, including information gathering, enumeration, exploitation, reporting, and scanning. Then, prepare to put your skills to the test in our exclusive cyber range, where you will address real-world scenarios in a high-intensity environment. As with all Mile 2 courses, this certification carries impressive accreditations, and the exam is administered through our SCORM-compliant Max Learning System. The CPTE contains 14 lessons, 14 labs, 40 CEUs, and is available as a live class or as an ultimate self-study combo. Go beyond hacking with Mile 2's Certified Penetration Testing Engineer course and exam offerings.